Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your lovely girl Anastasia, and in this video I'm starting another new weekly vlog because it's your fave girl. So what I was about to say is that actually now it's 10 p.m. and I'm going to the gym as every day. Like, this is the time that I'm going to the gym with my boyfriend. You're gonna tell me why you're starting the vlog now. I'm starting the vlog now because I'm drinking something that you barely can see because it's covering with pink, but I'm gonna show you. You can barely see a little bit green there. Yeah, my healthy section just keep growing every time. So this came in the mail today, liquid chlorophyll. So if you don't know what chlorophyll is, I'm gonna explain you now. So I'm gonna explain you now about chlorophyll. It's all the green from the plants. So that's what makes the plants green inside the plants. So chlorophyll gives the green from the plants, the color actually. So you get all the green, the healthy ingredient from the plants just to drink it. What does chlorophyll do for your body? Actually, helps with weight loss, heal damaged skin, for toxins, prevent cancer, helps for acne, so many things. So as you can see there, chlorophyll is the most important ingredient for the plants. You just add drops in the water of that green bottle. Mine has flavor mint, so it's like a drink, mint flavor. And you can see there all like 10 ingredients of the chlorophyll. It's like antioxidant. You can increase the production of white blood cells. And as you can see, fight against cancer. It helps for hair growth and slow down the progression of gray hair, so that's good. Help balance hormones. These are some foods that have a lot of chlorophyll inside. Wheatgrass, parsley, broccoli, spinach, spirulina, the alfalfa, I don't know that, matcha, pistachio herbs, green beans, everything in green actually that comes from the plants. These are some chlorophyll effects maybe that you have, but I use chlorophyll for a month and I have nothing. You get so many vitamins, good for your skin, your hair, your body. You can lose weight because you lose a lot of like minerals. That's why you have to take it with minerals. You need to drink a lot of water if you're having chlorophyll. So yeah, I recommend chlorophyll. Okay, so now that I explained you this is what I'm drinking. Weird green thing. So I don't know how I feel about that. This is the first day that I'm drinking this. It's 15 drops. I bought this bottle specific for the chlorophyll. Yeah, I ordered a long time ago the chlorophyll and just came today. Like it took a month anyway. I feel good about this. The flavor is like minty water. Like water, mint flavor. Nothing bad, nothing disgusting. It's very drinkable. Yeah, I literally can drink this. And I'm gonna take this to my gym today because I love having an energy drink or something with me at the gym. So this is what we're gonna drink today. Let's go to the gym now. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Secrets. So I got this set package that has inside lipstick, lip liner, and lip plumber, and a dazzling diamond lip gloss. Sounds really nice, this one. So I got the whole set of Pillow Talk. I got the normal shade. And I just love them so much. I wanted them for so long and finally they're mine. Also, I did my nails. Okay, in love. So today is my anniversary with my boyfriend. And as you can see, we are at the Core Leeds and we're gonna have some dinner. I'm watching Scream Queens from Disney Plus, my favorite series, and very girly.
Bitches, I'd like you to meet Chanel number 6. And the pain from not wearing my brace has me on the verge of passing out, but I've never been happier in my whole life. This will not stand! You don't have any respect for any of us or the rules of this.
Okay, this is my outfit. Okay, pause. I forgot that I didn't tell you why I was getting ready. I had to film a PR package, like a review that they sent me, and I was so excited. And it is actually like a behind the scenes of me filming the video. Hair done, everything's done. Look, this jewelry pearl necklace. My Cartier ring, the ring that my granny gave me. Cartier pearl earrings. This is from Shein, this is from Primark, and this is the total look. I'm so happy how it turned out, very neutral with gold. Hair done with the hitless curls method, and let's get started with the video. There they are. This is my setup. Yeah, there they are. Look at them. I'm not gonna show you a lot. Go see the review. Are you ready? Look what I got. Oh my goodness, it's a Victoria's Secret suitcase. Oh my god, look at this. This is a dream travel bag. Like, imagine having this and walking to the airport. I love this. And I already wrote my details. How cute. And it's like that. So there's like a mini pocket over there. And it's just a big pocket there. So this is how it opens. There's another pocket there, another pocket there, and that's pretty much how the bag it is inside. It fits a lot of things actually. It's very like spacious there. Another pocket there. Just saw that. So there's two pockets, another one there, one in the front, and it's just so pretty. And I got also a matching passport case. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, it's just the prettiest travel bag ever. There says Victoria's Secret. Look. The cutest. How cute! Imagine having this too and go to the airport with them. And I also have, this is for like travel essentials, like shampoo, conditioner, you know. So imagine having all this and the travel bag, like the cutest trip ever. Morning! I'm drinking this skinny coffee latte. Yeah, it's 126 calories. It's like flavored, but there's no flavor inside. It's just a latte, but it's really yummy and tasty and really big. Look at that. So I'm gonna have my morning vitamins. Today is Wednesday. You know, every Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday, me and my boyfriend, we go to the city center because it's our days off. So I'm gonna take my vitamins now. Today is Wednesday. So in the morning, I'm having cranberry, vitamin A to Z, vitamin D, and fish oil. I don't put the fish oil in the pill case because it's huge and they don't fit. I had my breakfast, by the way. I had a bagel with cream cheese and slice of cheese. I love cheese. Okay, I'm doing my face wash right now. No idea, for the first time in my life, what clothes I want to wear. Like, this is not me. Actually, I know what's the problem. I need shopping. I don't have clothes. I wear all of them. Like, what am I gonna do now? So, girls, I have a problem. I have so many things saved in my basket on the Zara website, and I'm just ready to cry because I want all of them, and it's, I don't know, $1,000? 1,000 pounds? All of them together to buy them. I need to sit down, think what I really need to buy first, but I cannot, Anastasia, you cannot buy them all together. You have to decide which one you want first. That's what I'm doing every single day with my shopping problem. I'm gonna take this sponge and I'm gonna wet it. And I'm gonna do scrub. Actually, this is really good because it's for exfoliating. I got this brush from Primark and I just fell in love with it. Skin feels like baby bath. I'm gonna use the Avon lip oil. I told you again about that. It's just the best thing ever. We're done. Let's brush the hair. We're gonna make the bed, tidy a little bit the room, and get ready. Bed is clean, and I'm gonna spray this from YOUUU, the pink pepper and black rose. The package reminds me of Jo Malone. It smells stunning. Very nice smell. Okay, as you can see, everything is very tidy except this chair is full of undressed stuff. I'm waiting for him to come and pick them up and bring them to his room. It's very organized and tidy, and I'm so in love. Whitening strips from Primark. They're £4, and pretty much they're like stripes, and you put it on your teeth and they become whiter. I saw a lot of difference, so I purchased them again. They're vegan. 14 strips for 1 week pack. Total outfit, I'm ready. So I'm wearing this coat, my Fenty bag, and also I'm wearing this set from Michael Kors, like hat, scarf, and gloves. They're really nice and wintry. So these leggings and these shoes. Oh. And today I did my first look with my Morphe palette. I did very neutral for today. Like a neutral because it's Wednesday, not too much. And I pair it with this lovely outfit. So happy, let's go. Oh my god, look. Princess. Bath bombs. So many things. Oh my god, they're amazing. Wow. Look at this, this is a bath bomb. Okay, love them. And also Friends. Oh my god, this is Hogwarts bath bomb. And something inside, I think it's like a reveal. Baby, look. This as well. And also for every, oh my god, candles. Come and love. What's this? Harry Potter Golden Body. What's inside? Like body products.
How about a round of applause for MJ, ladies and gentlemen? Put your hands together. She gets all the cool jobs.